I am Uday Bhanjo. Welcome to your favorite YouTube channel, Uday Bhanjo's English. In this channel, you will have to find out everything in English from class 8 onwards. Today, I shall teach you about the activity 2 of the grammar chapter, types of sentences. But for the answers, I shall take the help of my student Mrutyunjay Prushti, who has been taught by me before the chapter 2 of class 10 grammar book, and that is types of sentences. Mrutyunjay, come here. At first, Mrutyunjay, tell me the instruction of activity 2.
Name the simple sentences.
Not name, name. Name the simple sentences. Name the simple sentences. That means at first, we should have to know what simple sentence is. What is simple sentence? The sentence that has one finite verb is a simple sentence. The sentence that has one finite verb is a simple sentence. And then we shall proceed about the classification of simple sentences. That means so far as the classification is concerned, we must have known that simple sentences can be classified into 4 types or 4 classes or 4 divisions. What are they? Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. Declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory. What is declarative? The sentence that makes a statement. The sentence that makes a statement about somebody or something. The sentence that makes a statement about somebody or something is a declarative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? The sentence that asks a question. The sentence that asks a question is an interrogative sentence. And there are 2 types of interrogative sentences, yes, no and WH. What is yes, no interrogative? The interrogative that has the response of either yes or no. The interrogative that has the response of either yes or no is a yes, no interrogative. And the yes, no interrogatives usually begin with auxiliary verbs. Are you clever? Did they come here? Etc. What is WH interrogative? The interrogative that begins with a question pronoun. The interrogative that begins with a question pronoun such as what, who, whose, whom, etc. And it is known as a WH interrogative. Again, the interrogative that begins with a question pronoun is a WH interrogative. What is your name? Who are you? Etc. Then proceed towards imperative sentence. What is imperative sentence? The sentence that makes orders, command, requests, or entreaties. The sentence that makes order, request, or command, or entreaty, entreaty, E-N-T-R-E-A-T-Y, entreaty, is an imperative sentence. And example, open the door, come here, etc. And what is exclamatory sentence? The sentence that expresses a sudden strong feeling. The sentence that expresses a sudden strong feeling is known as exclamatory sentence or an exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentences usually begin with what or how. Now it is time for Mrutyunjay Prushti to tell you the answers.
Question number I. Abdul is a strong boy. Abdul is a strong boy. Answer is declarative sentence. Again. Abdul is a strong boy. Answer is declarative. Second, let us move on. Let us move on. Answer is imperative. Third I. Who told you that story? Who told you that story? Answer is interrogative. IV. How luckily I escaped the accident. How luckily I escaped the accident. Exclamation mark. Answer exclamatory. V. Don't touch a live wire. Don't touch a live wire. Answer imperative. VI. Are you coming with him? Are you coming with him? Answer interrogative. V second I. Turn to page 25 in your grammar book. Turn to page 25 in your grammar book. Answer imperative. V third I. Who did you give it to? Question mark. Who did you give it to? Answer interrogative.
Thank you, Mrutyunjaya. You have told the correct answers of activity 2. Now it depends on you whether you will like, share and subscribe your channel. Thank you.